the largest enterprise of the chemical industry of Uzbekistan. Dynamically developing versatile industrial and production complex. More than 60 types of production. Over 30% of volume of all chemical production of Uzbekistan. High professionalism of workers and engineers. Productions of innovative technologies. Today, Navoiyazot is in the status of the largest complex of the chemical industry of Uzbekistan. Continuous increase of production capacities. Over 30% of all made production of the chemical industry of the Republic fall to the share of Navoiyazot. Strong technical and technological base allow the enterprise to let out the wide product range, demanded not only on internal but also foreign markets. There are made such types of chemical products as mineral fertilizers, caustic soda, chlorine and production from chlorine. The Navoiyazot Production Association, the first among the enterprises of Navoiya region, received the certificate on accreditation in National System of Certification on technical competence in products area. The international quality management system that didn't become simple confirmation of compliance or potential of experts in production management at the level of the international standards was introduced here, but also emphasizes authority of the enterprise at the Republican and international levels. In the shops of Navoiyazot, over 100 product names which is used almost in all sectors, in agriculture, the gold mining complex, light industry, in aircraft, medicine are issued. There are 76 shops in production association. These are such capacities as production of ammonia of the first, second and third stage. The second and third turns of production of nitric acid, production of ammonium nitrate, production of mineral fertilizers, the caustic soda, liquid chlorine and production from chlorine, flocculant release. There are working about 12,000 Navoiyas at the enterprise. Navoiyazot meets the fifth 10 working area with impressive production achievements and further accumulation of business activity. Present achievements of chemists, their modern potential became possible thanks to state support, education of new generation of experts, broad modernization of technological processes, implementing of numerous development projects. The solid list will turn out if to transfer this operational performance to tons of production, which has been producing in years of work of Navoiyazot. For example, for years of work, Navoiyazot produced more than 42 million tons of only ammonium nitrate and ammonia more than 8 million tons. Today, on Navoiyazot, the work on technical and technological re-equipment of production is continued. In accordance with the government decree on Navoiyazot, has developed and implemented the investment program of the company for the next 5 years. It includes a number of large-scale projects, complex construction on production of ammonia and carbamide, creation of a new complex on manufacturing of PVC and caustic soda, organization of production of nitric acid. The predicted cost of these projects makes more than $1.5 billion. For the successful solution of objectives, there are all prerequisites. Technologies and inventory of the leading engineering companies of Japan, the Czech Republic and Russia are applied at the Navoiyazot. For example, the shop on production of caustic sodium is completely designed by the German experts, and delivery of the respective technological lines was carried out by producers from the USA, Germany and Italy. This strong technical base is necessary for uninterrupted operation of the advanced inventory also. Mechanical repair shop in which the assembly, machine tool manufacturing, welding area as well as facilities for chemical equipment repair, repair of mechanical, electrical equipment and other facilities. The central laboratory of Navoiyazot strictly watches the exact carrying out technological process, exercises entrance monitoring of the chemical raw materials influencing quality of finished goods. The policy in the field of quality is an integral part of the common strategy of joint stock company Navoiyazot, carrying out the resolution of the government of the Republic about measures for introduction on the enterprises, the control systems of quality answering international standards. The quality management system of productions is developed and introduced in April 2007 in joint stock company Navoiyazot ammonium nitrate, aqueous solution of sodium cyanide. In April 2008, system of production quality additionally certified liquid ammonium, liquid chlorine, ammonium chloride, hydrochloric acid. In June 2013, branch of certification was extended and system of production quality additionally certified acrylic emulsion, polyacrylamide gel, nitrogen phosphate fertilizer, methanol grade A. The range extends, output steadily grow. Now the enterprise offers consumers more than 60 types of production to realization. In the world market, the industrial complex is a number of leaders on production and sale of chemical production. Enterprise capacities allow to satisfy a need of the country for the chemical production and also to carry out its export. In export geography, China, Pakistan, Iran, Turkey, the United Arab Emirates, CIS countries, and its more than 1,000 constant consumers. Joint stock company Navoiyazot considers environment protection as one of the priority tasks and the conditions necessary for long-term development of the enterprise, and also conducts systematic targeted work on decrease of harmful effects of the enterprise to the environment. Specialists of laboratory of the ecological analysis are engaged in continuous monitoring of environment. The company has more than 60 units of dust and gas cleaning equipment, thus the most various technologies are used. Cleaning, treatment and disinfection of sewage of the enterprise, as well as effluents of all industrial enterprises of the Navai region, is made on constructions of biochemical. From 2010, the industrial operation of production facilities of Navoiyazot is conducted in the framework of the decisions of the Kyoto Protocol. Joint stock company Navoiyazot has developed infrastructure, convenient access railway and automobile roads. For production delivery to consumers, the enterprise has its own park of motor transport and railway cars and tanks. Finished goods are shipped immediately from the enterprise territory. The enterprise delivers to the consumer production in due time, in the necessary quantity, without compromising quality within minimum expenses. The course on modernization and technical re-equipment of shops, mastering of new marketable products has specific requirements for engineering and technical and service staff. Today, technically competent workers possessing high engineering erudition, capable to accept and introduce the composite technological projects are demanded. Joint stock company Navoiyazot trains experts in its own training center. There are created all conditions for professional development and mastering of interfacing professions of workers. Production technical training of newly hired workers, seminars, classes for technical officers is passing here. Educational classes of the center are equipped with the modern technical means, visual aids and computers. Personal policy of the enterprise is based on close cooperation with the colleagues as well. To professional colleges of the regional center, where there are groups of future workers of chemical plants, assisted in strengthening the mature technical base. Their students at the enterprise undertake internship and masters of industrial training. The advantage of such interaction of colleges and the enterprise is obvious. Close connection is established with Navai State Mining Institute. On the basis of Navoiyazot, the branch of Engineering Chemistry Chair of Mining Institute is created. Externship and thesis defense by the students of the institute are passing here. Besides, in some directions training of engineering staff is carried out in higher education institutions of the CIS countries as well. Industrial and social problems at the Production Association Navoiyazot is closely intertwined. Subsidiary farm of joint stock company is large, diversified and in many ways exemplary economy. On a cattle breeding complex, Navoiyazot contains hundreds of cattle heads. The basis of dairy cattle is a light red steppe breed cow. In the Norata area, the modern mini poultry farm on 20,000 laying hens and 22,000 chickens is constructed. In the greenhouse sector is introducing advanced technologies of growing vegetables. The modern hothouse complex delivers hundreds kilograms of fresh vegetables for dining rooms and staff. The orchard, where more than 5,000 fruit trees are planted, already started bearing fruits, including apple trees of an intensive grade. They try not only feed tasty, but also create a cozy interiors. The medical unit of Navoiyazot is a modern large medical institutions. The favorite vacation spot of Navoiyazot staff, Enterprise Sanatorium Dispensary. The special care given to the children of Enterprise staff. They spend vacation at the Children's Recreation Camp of Topjon. Various sports sections act on the sports Kimyogar complex: table tennis, volleyball, karate, judo, and arm wrestling, basketball, soccer. The Palace of Culture of With became for Navais the cultural center of the city, the center of gravity of all generations, each of which finds here something special. Each year in life of the enterprise is a confident step forward, the next stage of transformations, and invaluable experience for further development and prosperity.